Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Cao. This problem is from 2021 Aime problem number 6. Segments AB, AC, AD are edges of a cube, and AG is the diagonal through the center of the cube. Point P satisfies BP equals 60 times square root of 10 CP and DP and GP. Let us find AP, right? So let's suppose maybe P is here. So, and here I build a coordinate system that's for 3D. So x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. So I select original point from A. So, and let's the cube edge, the length, the edge of the cube is A. So the point, the coordinate of B, is 0, 0, A. C is A, 0, 0, So D is 0, A, 0. And the coordinate of G is A, comma, A, comma, A, right? So because we built this coordinate system, and it will easily to calculate the length of BP, CP, DP, right? And the GP. Finally, I will find AP. So let us suppose the coordinate of P is x, comma, y, comma, z, right? And what we need to find is, because the coordinate for A is original point, so AP equals which one? Square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared, right? X, y, z. So according to the given information, we can get now the for B, right? BP. So we can get x squared plus y squared plus z minus a. Here is a and z. Then squared equals which one? 60 square root of 10, then squared, and we know that's 6 squared times 10, 6 squared times 10 squared, then times 10, right? Okay. Also, we can write down like 60 squared times 10. Okay, that's for BP, right? We can get the information of this one. Now, same thing for the CP. From CP, the length of this, we can get, then where is the C? So that's x minus a squared plus y squared plus z squared, so equals 60 squared times 5, right? Write down like this form, and then we will get the dp. So that's dp. We will get x squared plus y minus a then squared plus z squared equals how much for this one? I can write down like 120 square root of squared and equals 60 squared times 8, right? Okay. And also we got, from here we can find, if we plus all of them, left hand side and right hand side, we got 2x squared and 2y squared and 2z squared and x minus a squared and y minus a squared and z minus a squared, right? Okay, from this one we can get which one? So we can get GP here is, yeah, now we got x minus a squared, right? A, right? Plus y minus a squared plus z minus a squared equals 36 squared times 7, correct? Yes. So now we know how much for this one, and this one. Okay, we just got the sum of this and minus this one, then what we will got? So 2x squared plus y squared plus z squared, right? That this one, this one, and all of this, and this, they're cancelled with this one. So right hand side we got 60, here is 10, here is 5, here is 8, put them together, 60 squared, and times 15, 23, then minus this one, 36 times 7. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared is 1/2 of how much for this? So we can figure out 6 squared, then I can times 6 squared, so is 10 squared, right? Times 23, this is 60 squared. And here also I can get 6 squared, then times 36 times 7. So that's 6 squared. Of course, 1/2 of that, 1/2 of 6 squared, then, right? So 36 times 7. So 252. And then 200, then how much for this one? So this is 2048 over 2 times 6 squared, so times 6 squared, and we know that's 32 squared times 6 squared. Yes, now we know the square root of this one, because finally we want to find this AD, right? And now we find AP is square root of this one, so it's square root of this. AP equals this one, so equals the square root of this one, then AP equals 32 times 6, so 192, right? 192 done. Yes, this problem we just use the basic coordinate system and know how to find the distance between 2 points, and finally we use it, and then we finally got the answer. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.